Experience the splash of a fresh, zesty orange with a perfect sugar rush at the same time with this real orange cake. All you need is whipped cream, orange pulp, and a soft honey cake. Nyam Nyam will show you how to whip up this artisanal dessert with simple to follow steps. Let's get started. All you need is 250 grams of cake mix, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 50 millilitres of milk, 30 millilitres of oil, and whisk it together. Then we add 10 grams of honey. Mix that in nicely. And we're ready to pour it into our baking tin. We're using a little bit of wax paper at the bottom there just to help prevent sticking. Now that deliciousness goes in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Take it out of the oven when it's ready, put it on a baking tray, and we're going to slice it into 3 equal layers. Now from these layers, we're going to do cutouts. We're going to use 2 different size cookie cutters, circle shaped, one slightly bigger than the other. Remove the excess cake. These are going to go inside our orange. Now we're going to cut the end off our orange. Be very careful not to chop your fingers off. And we're going to scoop out the inside. Be a little bit patient with this part of the process. Removing the entire pulp, and there we have it. Now with another orange, we're going to just take a few slices out of that one. Now add 150 millilitres of whipping cream, 30 millilitres of sweetened condensed milk to a bowl and whisk it till light and fluffy. There we have our cream filling. It goes into a food piping bag, ready to fill our orange shell. So whipped cream goes in first. Now on top of that, we're going to add one of our little honey cake slices. Then why don't we add some more whipped cream on top of that? And how about a few pieces of orange? Bit of freshness in there. Bit more whipped cream. And a slice of honey cake. Maybe the smaller slice would fit better there. More whipped cream. And a nice slice of orange to seal it all off. A beautiful finishing touch. Squish it in there, making sure it's nice and snug. Delicious. Now we can just coat that with a little layer of honey using a brush. And why not sprinkle some icing sugar on top for that extra sweetness with our zesty orange and maybe even a sprig of mint. And it's ready to serve. Let's have a slice then.